In today's video, I'll teach you how to activate ADP credit card. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. So if you want to activate your ADP credit card, you have to use the Wisely. You'll be able to activate it via the Wisely website. So for that, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in this link, activatewisely.com. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Wisely. You can see over here you'll be able to activate your ADP credit card. What you need is your card details, your SSN and date of birth and your contact information. So what you have to do is click on this option get started that you can see on the screen. Now in order to get started you have to enter the card details. So click on the field of 16-digit card number and enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. After you do that, also enter the expiration date. First of all, enter the month. After you do that, enter the year. Now also enter the CVV code over here. Now click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now after that, you have to provide some personal details in order to verify your identity. You'll have to provide your SSN number, date of birth, contact information, etc. After you provide the personal information, what you have to do is simply set up your account. Enter the user ID and password in order to set up the login. After you do that, follow through the instructions in order to complete the activation. Once the card is activated, you'll be able to use and manage it. So like this, you'll be able to activate it. So that is how you activate ADP credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.